You Can Do It presents DIY Throw Pillows. Throw pillows can transform your living space, adding pops of color and comfort to any room. But buying new pillow covers can be expensive. Why not make your own? Today, I'll show you how to create custom throw pillow covers using inexpensive fabric and basic sewing techniques. Let's get started. First, gather your materials. You'll need inexpensive fabric like cotton or linen, or any fabric you love really. You'll also need a sewing machine, though a needle and thread will do if you prefer hand sewing. Don't forget a measuring tape or ruler, fabric scissors, pins or clips, and sewing thread that matches your fabric. An iron and ironing board will come in handy, and optionally, a zipper or buttons for closure. Selecting the right fabric is key. Consider these tips. For fabric types, cotton and linen are great for beginners. They're easy to work with and durable. When choosing patterns and colors, pick ones that match your decor. Don't be afraid to mix and match. Make sure the fabric is durable, washable, and will hold up over time. Calculate the amount of fabric you need based on the size of your pillow, adding a few inches for seam allowances. Now let's measure and cut the fabric. First, measure the pillow insert and add an inch to each side for seam allowances. Then cut the fabric into pieces. If you're making an envelope-style cover, you'll need one front piece and two overlapping back pieces. For a zippered cover, cut two equal-sized pieces. Now that we have our pieces, we can move on to the sewing techniques. Sewing techniques. If you're new to sewing, here are some basic techniques you'll use. Straight stitch, which is a basic stitch for sewing seams. Backstitch, this reinforces the beginning and end of seams. And, optionally, the zigzag stitch, which is great for finishing fabric edges to prevent fraying. Creating an envelope-style throw pillow cover. Let's go through the steps. First, hem the back pieces. Fold over the edges of the back pieces twice, about ½ an inch each fold, and sew a straight stitch. Next, pin the pieces together. Lay the front piece right side up. Place the two back pieces right side down on top, aligning the edges. The back pieces will overlap in the center. Then sew around the edges. Sew around the entire perimeter with a ½ inch seam allowance. After that, turn the cover right side out through the opening. Finally, insert the pillow and adjust the fit. Creating a zippered throw pillow cover. Here are the steps. First, attach the zipper. Place the zipper face down along one edge of the fabric and sew it in place using a zipper foot. Then, sew the remaining sides. Open the zipper halfway and sew the remaining 3 sides of the fabric together. Next, turn the cover right side out through the zipper opening. Lastly, insert your pillow and zip it up. For a polished look, let's focus on the finishing touches. First, iron the finished pillow cover to remove any wrinkles. Carefully trim any loose threads to keep the seams clean. Lastly, ensure all seams are secure and tidy. Get creative with your pillow covers. You can add buttons, ribbons, or applique for extra flair. Use fabric paint or stencils to create unique designs, or mix and match different fabrics for a colorful patchwork look. Keep your pillow covers looking fresh. Follow the fabric care instructions. Most cotton and linen covers can be machine washed. For storing, keep seasonal covers flat in a dry place to avoid wrinkles and damage. Making your own throw pillow covers is a fun and rewarding project. You get to customize your home decor and save money. I hope you feel inspired to try making your own.